Alright, let's do this Schnitt. Like I said, it has a Max Pack box with a Prism blaster with it. Good luck. Y'all need to keep your eye out for the next set that I'll be getting in. Not really set, but the next batch of cards I'll be getting in. There's gonna be a bunch of badass ones that they have worked their butt off to make. And I have one left after the 120 break. One box left here, and I'll get 2 more tomorrow, hopefully, before I leave town. So I'll have 2 or 3 to take out of town with me. And then I'll be getting the other ones while I'm out of town delivered. So when I get back, we will have plenty to play with. And they will be the nice new ones that are going to be nice. David and Brandon have worked their butts off picking and choosing what to include and clean them up. And y'all need to watch his video of what to look for. He just posted a live a little bit ago. Go check it out. Jamar Jefferson. Silver Kerryon Johnson. Le'Veon Bell out of Topps rookie card. Steelers. AFC North, which is Joe Lurch. Kyler Murray rookie out of Chronicles. And a Stephon Diggs Gridiron Gear out of 50. Nice purple patch. Looks like it's got the number there. A little bit here. That's badass. Or a letter. That's nice. We got the Vikings. That's NFC North. Philip Gimeno. Nice. Pack 2. That is I was looking at that. That's a beautiful patch. I like it. I like it a lot. Pack 2. Got Greg Newsome. Terrace Marshall. Jimmy G red prism out of 149. NFC West. That's Gabe Hubble. We have, who the hell? Can't read it. Carson Wentz. Draft picks out of Prestige. Nice. And a Justin Herbert rated rookie out of Optic. Nice. Who got AFC West? Kevin Elston. Nice. Congrats. Pack 3. 3 of 4. Last one's gonna have a Slabberdabber. Looks like Millie from Millie Vanilli. Julio Jones, Expo certified potential. Falcons. NFC South, Cheryl. Justin Herbert, Fireworks. Nice. Melvin Gordon, Topps Chrome. AFC West again. NFC West, Marshawn Lynch out of 499. And a Rondé Barber autograph out of Flawless Draft Gems. Badass. That would be for the Bucks. NFC South. Cheryl Bugby. And did y'all see that Rondé Barber and Tiki Barber duel I pulled? That thing was sweet. 4 out of 5. Badass. This is nice. Nice. Good job. Alright, pack 4. Last but not least. That was a nice flawless card.